Right, we're off for a walk up Aber Falls. Something a bit different. Knackered already on this hill, but with Matty boy. Right, I'm gonna clip it on now. Keep going. Bit of a steep on this hill straight away. It's not the usual route to Aber Falls. It's a bit of a detour, but I quite like it. Warms you up straight away. Come on, Matty. There's the Aber Falls distillery over there. Lovely gin. And the orange marmalade one's nice. The violet. I'll have a violet one. Looking forward to the whiskey next year, going out. Be straight on that. From here, and a great home. Llanfair Mountain, Pad Mountain, over the top. All of Anglesey there. Right, I'm going to stop here for a minute, wait for Matt, otherwise he might go home. Alright, we're walking up to Aber Falls now. today. A bit cold. Clouds over there is the Berrebach and Berrymawr. Went up there in the snow not that long ago. It's quite a hike that. Full Frass right over the top. One of the Welsh 3000s, the last one, if you do it that way. Drum. Right, I'm going to say bye now, and I'll catch up in a bit when we get a bit closer to the falls. The streams across here, look at all fall in. Nice view right of the half there. Smaller Albert Falls. Climbed up the side of that once. Great fun. Loads of little pools of water on the way up. Anyone who's into geocaching as well, you'll know there's a geocache up there. It's a good one and all. Oh dear. Well, that was nice, wasn't it? It's just on the fall on camera. I'm alright. I fell down there. I fell down there. On camera.
Maybe you were hiding, but you got sick of waiting for me to come, like.
Got it on camera as well.
I went behind. I had to wait, like. Oh yeah, where's he gone, like? Oh, he's on the other end. I see you popping wide over the other end for waiting for me, like. It's scary, but got more than waiting.
That'll be funny to look back at later. That's what happens when you're concentrating on your GoPro instead of your walk. I'll turn it off for a bit till we get to the falls. Right, I just had a bit of a fall then. As you've seen, we'll find out what it looks like on the GoPro later. I'll have a look at it. So I'm alright now. It's funny, it's all part of the fun, as long as it's not off a cliff. Anyway, I'm going to attach it back on now and get up to the falls now. Okay. Gorgeous views all over here. Love this place. Not too far from home either. It takes a few minutes to get here. Right on your doorstep. I'm looking forward to getting on some big mountains soon. All the Glidders and the Conadai and the other side of the Conadai. The snow's massive, but I'm not allowed yet, so stay local. Don't really need to go anywhere when you've got that though, do you? Wow, it's powerful today. Quite a lot of rain today and last night, as you can tell by that. It's getting strong as well. It's getting soapy here. Well worth it. There you go, the mighty Aber Falls. Whoa. I've not seen it that angry for a while. Probably can't even hear me. Gorgeous. Strong in it today. Might have a shower. I'll stop it there. What? No chance. Yeah. Probably won't show very well on the GoPro, you know. Jesus Christ. Whoa! That's strong. Absolutely drenched. Whoa! That is nuts. I am drenched, look at that! Just a bit wet now after that. Maybe. Good job the waterproof. Well worth it though. Now it's going to come out on video. Hopefully it looks alright. Right, I'm going to end that there now. Might do a bit of recording in a bit. See you later. Say bye, Matt. Right, we're off back home now. I'll upload the video later on. Thanks for watching. Bye. Last bit of the Aberfoils walk now. Nice circular. It takes a couple of hours. Don't mind going there for a dip when it's hot. Right, I'm going to call it a day here now. Nearly home. See ya.